As the question says, the decay constant of U238 is 4.9 into 10 to the power minus 18 second inverse. What is the average life of U238? Now we all know that the average life is equals to 1 by lambda. Now lambda has been given as 4.9 into 10 to the power minus 18, this being in seconds, giving us 6.47 into 10 to the power 7 years. Proceeding to the next part, what is the half-life of U238? That is the B part. Half-life, capital T, we all know is ln2 by lambda. Putting the values over here, we get 0.693 upon lambda, that has been given as 4.9 into 10 to the power minus 18, giving us a value of 4.5 into 10 to the power 9 years. Now friends, since we put lambda in second inverse over here, this value will be in seconds. You will be converting it to convert it into years, right? Now similarly, proceeding with the third part, that is by what factor does the activity decrease? Now we all know that A by A naught is equals to 1 by 2 to the power n, where n is the number of half-lives. So here we will be having n now you can note that this n can be a non-integer. So n is equals to the total time, which is 9 into 10 to the power 9 upon half-life, that is 4.5 into 10 to the power 9, giving us the value of n to be 2. So this comes out to be 1 upon 2 to the power 2, that is 1 by 4. So activity is actually getting 1 by 4th of A naught. But they have asked by what factor it decreases. So we can say that it decreases 4 times.